Do you know that AI is already making more decisions about your life than you do? The world you know isn't shaped by chance. It's being curated, calculated, and controlled by artificial intelligence. And the scariest part, you didn't even notice. Every time you watch a video, click an ad, or like a post, AI learns. It doesn't just track what you see, it predicts what you want to see. Your Netflix recommendations, the ads on your feed, even your emotions, AI can read them, measure them, and manipulate them. The scary truth? It may know you better than you know yourself. Think about it. When was the last time you chose a video, or did it choose you? We've been told AI will replace factory workers. But what if it replaces you? Journalists, lawyers, even artists, AI is learning faster, working longer, and costing less than any human ever could. But here's the paradox. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. The question is, will you adapt or be left behind? AI isn't just automating labor, it's creeping into the sacred realm of human creativity. What happens when AI writes best-selling novels? When it composes symphonies that bring us to tears? When an AI-generated influencer becomes more popular than any human? If a machine can create art that moves us, does creativity still belong to humans? Or are we just passengers in a world where AI is the real artist? We live in a world where seeing is no longer believing. Deepfake technology can clone voices, mimic faces, and rewrite history in real time. Imagine waking up to find an AI-generated version of yourself committing crimes on the news. Imagine never knowing if a world leader's speech was real or fabricated. If we can't trust what we see, what happens to reality itself? This